Watch, Musa Mthombeni's teary tribute to his bestie Akhumzi will break your heart. TV personality Musa Mthombeni has spoken out for the first time about the gaping hole his best friend, Akhumzi Jezile's death has left in his heart. Musa struggled to fight back tears as he spoke about their close bond during a tribute show in Akhumzi's honor on Trending SA. Musa and Akhumzi were child stars whose careers blossomed in the same velocity as their friendship. There was no mention of Akhumzi without Musa and vice versa. As news of Akhumzi's death spread across the country, people who have watched Akhumzi and Dr. Musa's friendship grow from strength to strength for over a decade flocked to his timeline to offer support. Akhumzi lost his life on Saturday morning along with Thobani Misselini, Siyazanga Kobes, and 2 others in a fatal car accident. Musa, who has been shocked to silence since the news broke, poured his heart out for the first time. "My dearest best friend, my brother, and my partner in crime. When people said your name, it was always followed by mine. And that's what you were, my other half, the other half of this equation. The person responsible for the man that God continues to shape me to become today. You are my brother and you are everything people said about you that was good." Musa said he spent many hours wondering how he would say goodbye to a person he loved so much. He added that even though he was angry that Akhumzi never said goodbye, he finds comfort in the hope that he's in a better place. Musa went on to recite a poem called "You Never Said Goodbye" by an unknown author.